the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active number 2 Under Armour Edition, and today is part 2, day 2 if you like, and we have a better day today. It is not thunderstorming and I'm gonna do a different activity. I'm not gonna go jogging today. I wanted to do some biking, right? So I selected my activity into biking and on the watch, and I did distance 5 kilometers, and this may be a little bit ambitious, but let me start. Let's see what it says. I put voice activation on. I do not have my headphones today. Not sure if that makes a difference. The good thing about a distance goal is you can stop and it doesn't bug you, right? So the voice or the coaching is not bugging you and telling you, come on, dude, you're gonna have to do it, otherwise you're gonna get really big. And I'm really on a mission here. I wanna lose weight. Let me know in the comments below and give me a like. I'm outside again for you guys to test this watch and let you know the good, the bad, the ugly, if there's any. It does have this purpose, right? It's not just a smartwatch, it's not just a heart rate monitor and all these other things, but it does have a purpose. And I think, especially when you go jogging, that it does kind of motivate you in order to do more. Because in all honesty, without this watch and without trying this watch, I wouldn't be here biking today. What it does, it auto pauses every time I stop. So that's kind of a settings issue, and I didn't realize that earlier, so that's why I basically do more than we should do. But anyway, let me resume, and I'm really determined to get the 5 kilometers done today, right? Although my bottom really hurts, crying out loud. Oh, it says 50, I can only go 50, so I really have to slow down and get my jokes, don't you? You know, who said we Germans don't have any sense of humor, right? So that's not really true. If you watch our channel, we do have a freaking sense of humor on our channel. Not everybody is like that cliche. Bear in mind. I do miss the voice guidance of the jogging yesterday.
Workout is 5 kilometers.
So I don't know why it doesn't give me that voice guidance when I'm biking. I guess it's just kind of a distance and you have to set the intervals when it tells you when you and where you are. But I don't know if you remember the first navigation system you ever had in your car, the portable ones, not the built-in ones. And we used to have a company here called TomTom. It's a Dutch company, but the voices are ridiculously boring, and that's what the voice also sounds like for the coaching, right? So I do wish I could show you the mountains over there, and that's not gonna work on this.
Halfway point. Well done.
Halfway point, well done. So it does give you an update every 25%. So 25% will give me an update, and then halfway point, and then 75%. The watch just vibrated, and it basically showed me it's only 1 kilometer to go. So it also vibrates at certain steps, not just voice guidance. It vibrates and tells you, okay, every kilometer there's 1 to go, and we're getting there. We're getting there slowly. That piece of cake from yesterday is going away. I can feel it. It's going somewhere, but not sticking with me. As you know, Germany is kind of a cake country. It's very difficult to not have cake when you see them laying there begging you to take you home. What I also like about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 in general, not just the Under Armour Edition, that it is round, right? So I'm a big fan of watches in general, and I think that kind of, you know, the Apple Watch is cool and it's very polished in what it does, and I just don't like the squareness of it, and I like the roundness of the Galaxy Watch Active 2. And I know this is just a gimmicky thing, but I really do like that watch face. I like that watch face probably more than the normal standard watch faces, and I don't know why, because it's probably not everybody has it. It could be like a psychological thing, but I also like the eclipse moving, and that's pretty cool. I think we're only half a kilometer away from our goal, which is pretty cool. I haven't been biking in a long time, and to achieve that is pretty cool. So let's see what it does at the end. Hopefully it celebrates with me with some really cool animation, and it's something we're gonna find out, right? Is it gonna tell me, well done dude, you should do this again, with a cool Bruce Willis voice? You're the man, you're the master, you're the grandmaster. So let's find out. Okay, so just told me to finish the workout. It wasn't really spectacular, and I had the cast come in as well, so it was really bad timing. I couldn't hear what she said, but there was no animation, there was no celebration, but you did hear the voice, right? And that's exactly what I was talking about. It sounds like Cortana on slow speed, right? So I'm not a big fan of these navigation voices. I want something really motivating, like, you did it dude, or come on, You can do it. You can see two joggers over there having a blast, having the time of their life, while I'm struggling to keep it up. And everybody tells me age is just a number. I don't know. Is it? You tell me. Conclusion, it is really cool, right? It is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 Under Armour Edition. It's a nice addition with an A to the Samsung Galaxy lineup, to the watch lineup, because I think it's something unique, right? It's something focused, and it gets you to do stuff you really wouldn't normally do. Well, maybe I'm overselling this, but this is how I feel. These are my personal feelings about it, and I don't get any sponsorship out of this, but this is by far my favorite Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 from all the ones we have. And I think this one is a keeper for sure, because it gets me going. And thank you for watching. Jens here from Also Space. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And now it's time for a nice cup of tea. Peace out.